Welcome back to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm doing a video on a build of the 1937 Ford pickup 2-in-1 with surfboard. This is a Revell kit. It's a level 5 and 125 scale, and it's kit number 85-4516. I'm going to go ahead and get it unboxed and lay all the parts out, and I'll be right back. Just a quick update, guys. 37 Ford pickup is coming along nicely. Main body panel's been painted and the engine is complete. Just waiting for the frame and interior bucket and all that stuff to dry, and it'll be ready for assembly. So unless I run into an issue of some kind that's unforeseen, the next segment will be the completed kit. So thank you all again, and see you in just a quick second. Here's a quick update, folks. The 37 pickup is progressing nicely. Just waiting on a couple little things to dry, and we'll get it all put together, and we'll have it at the end here. Stay tuned. Well, there it is, folks, the 1937 Ford. This was the 2-in-1 kit. And this here is a tribute to my mother-in-law and her late husband, Armin. They were big into carrots. So the original release of this video is on her actual birthday. She would have been 87 years old as of the release of this video, and she was a wonderful person, and we all miss her. And this is just a little nod to her and her husband. Here's a truck full of carrots. The build itself was decent as of right now. It's been a couple of days since I've started it, and I don't really remember what I said in the previous clips of the video. Everything went together well. The only real negative of this kit is the wheels don't fit properly on the axles, so they're just kind of there. They don't like secure all the way onto the axle, so they don't really lay correct. So you can turn that one out. It's attached, but it doesn't fit squarely on the axle. Other than that, it was a pleasure to build. Biggest obstacle I ran into was deciding on what color to do everything. We added the carrots, give it that authentic look. And as I'm spinning this around at the moment, I realize that I did not put the rear tail lights on yet. Okay, well, that'll be done after the post-production, as they say. Let me see if I can take the hood off without causing too much damage. There's the engine, old flathead Ford. Minimal detail. It's more of a kit to build for Betty. So there you go, Ma. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you're at peace. Have a great day, everyone. I want to thank you all for stopping by. And we'll see you on the next one. It's Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.